In this class, we looked at one of our favorite steps, which is we start with a side step, switch into cross system, so I'm going to do a weight change, go to the close side of the embrace, and then on the next step, I'm going to take a side step while Shelley keeps stepping backwards, collect, big pivot here, 180-degree pivot, step back with my left, and now a big 270-degree pivot for Shelley. I bring her back to the line of dance and switch right and out. So all together. In close embrace. So one of the things we like about this step is that we're constantly switching sides. I'm going to the closed side, and I'm going to the open side, and I'm sending her back, and then back out straight. One of the things we talked about to get to the close side of the embrace more easily, and it's something we've talked about in quite a few of our classes, is if I step without doing anything with my upper body, then Shelley just steps right with me because she wants to stay to my center. If I turn my upper body a little bit to my right, then she's going to understep me. That would be nice if I were wanting to go to the open side of the embrace. But if I want to go to the close side, I do the opposite. I turn a little bit to the right, and there she oversteps me just a touch. Makes it very easy to go to the close side of the embrace. And in close, same thing, and I let her shift just a little bit on my body. So her contact is here, and then it shifts just a little bit more to my center. And that gives me plenty of room to step to the close side of the embrace. We also talked about, instead of the side step, we could get into this just from walking. So I'm walking forward, and when I step on my left, I can switch right and then begin the step. Or I could get into this step from back ochos. So I'm leading back ochos, and then I go to the close side and complete the step. One of the things we look at for in this step is a fluidity, is that we flow from step to step without any pausing. One other thing that we talked about is at the end of this step, right here, I'm going to my left, and here I'm leading her to take right. I'm still on my left here, so I could go out in parallel, or what I like to do is switch right there and go out and cross system.